I myself, before you even knew me, I was a student of yours, having come across your booklet from 1975, Guide to Reading and Writing Judezmo, and in that booklet you presented for everybody to see the different alphabets, the Soletreo alphabet, the Merubah, the block Hebrew type, and as well as the Rashi, the rabbinic figures and the rabbinic characters. And it was thanks to your book that I really began to penetrate the variety of Soletreo texts that I was seeking to explore and seeking to unlock. And it was a very difficult challenge. There were not many resources available. I mean, it's a good thing I found that booklet of yours, because otherwise, who knows where I would be now. But so I'm very grateful for that.
Yeah, thank you. The power of the printed word.
The power of the printed word, very powerful. And now we're going to see the power of the internet to transform that what you've made accessible over the last decades. Could you tell us, how did you first come to learn Soletreo?
Yeah, well, I had the great fortune of corresponding with a few people in Israel while I was still in New York before I made Aliyah to Israel in 1980. And one was a gentleman named Yitzchak Rafael Molcho of blessed memory. He, first of all, helped me to acquire some books in Judezmo, which greatly helped me to get my bearings in the language. And at my request, he also taught me the Soletreo script. So he taught me the way it was written in Salonika, in his native city. And from corresponding with him, first in the Latin alphabet and then in Soletreo, and under his guidance, I gradually began to learn Soletreo. So
that's fantastic.
He was my master.
All right, great. So we're going to get, that will be transmitted then, I guess, right? So
yeah,
that's the genealogy of the Soletreo script that we'll be able to share.
That's
today.
correct.
Okay.